it's another mystery exclusive Kawaii cube. I'm so excited. Can't tell who it is.
It's definitely green.
Hi friends, it's Toy Food Fun. I'm the Toy Food Fun mom, and today I've brought my son as a helper to help me with some microwave magic. Say hi.
Hi.
Today we're going to take some Play-doh. Let's start with this beautiful green Play-Doh. We're going to open it up, squish it. Why don't you roll it into a ball?
Okay.
Now let's take that beautiful ball of Play-Doh and put it in the microwave. Press start and do some magic. This Play-Doh looks pretty much the same. It might be a little bit bigger. I hope our magic microwave's working. We haven't used it for magic in a long time. Son, why don't you open it up and check it out?
Okay. It feels like there's something inside here. Whoa! No way!
Who is that?
It's Green Lantern.
That's awesome. It looks like a Kawaii cube.
I wonder if there's anything inside here.
Check it out.
What?
No way, there's Wonder Woman. I love Wonder Woman.
That's so cool.
Let's set Green Lantern here and Wonder Woman over here. Wow, that was really cool. Let's try it again and see if we get any success. I'm going to try white Play-Doh. So here's the white Play-Doh. Let's roll it up into a ball. It kind of looks sloppy, but that's okay. Let's put this in the microwave and push start. Did you hear that sound? That was strange.
Yeah.
Why don't you check that out?
Okay.
Last time we had really great luck. We got Wonder Woman and Green Lantern. Hopefully we have good luck this time.
Whoa, no way! It's an exclusive one.
It looks like it's a mystery. Exclusive one mystery character. Why don't you open it up?
Okay.
Awesome! It looks like the pop art Harley Quinn. She is so cute! Do we have any Harley Quinn fans out there? Tell us in the comments. Let's set Harley right here. And let's try this again. We've tried green Play-Doh and white Play-Doh. Now let's try red Play-Doh. This is going to be so much fun. I hope we have good luck with this red Play-Doh. Let's squish it and then roll it into a big fat Play-Doh ball. Let's open our magic microwave. Set the Play-Doh in and press start. Spin in. A strange sound. I hope this worked. Why don't you open it up and check it out?
Okay.
What superhero or villain are you hoping for?
I hope for the Joker.
Oh, the Joker's pretty cool. Let's see what we got.
Okay.
Oh Oh,
It's
wow.
Superman.
It is Superman. I'm so excited. Shake it. Is there anything inside?
Yep, there's something inside. It's another Green Lantern.
Oh, cute. It's baby Green Lantern. Let's put him near his papa on Wonder Woman's head. This is so much fun. I love microwave magic. So far we have baby Green Lantern, a medium Wonder Woman, a big Green Lantern, a pop art Harley Quinn, and Superman. This is so cool. Now let's try this blue Play-doh. I love fresh Play-doh. It's your turn. Why don't you squish it up and roll it into a ball?
Okay.
Don't you love the way Play-Doh feels?
Yeah, feels so nice.
That's perfect. Let's put it in our magic microwave.
Okay.
Push start. I'm so excited. This is so much fun. I think it's ready. Earlier you said you were hoping for the Joker. Let's open this up and see if the Joker's inside.
Okay. Our magic microwave has been giving us a lot of luck lately.
It is. It is a very lucky microwave.
We got another exclusive mystery box.
I'm so excited. I wonder if the Joker's inside.
I know.
Just rip it open. Who is it? Who is it? The suspense is killing me.
It's a Green Lantern.
It is Green Lantern. It looks like a pop art Green Lantern. He's a medium size and he opens up. This is so cool. Let's move Wonder Woman over. Now we have a whole family of Green Lanterns. Have we done purple yet?
I don't think so.
Let's try that. I love purple.
Okay.
Why don't you squish and roll up this purple Play-Doh?
Okay.
While you're doing that, you know what purple kind of reminds me of?
What?
The Joker.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully we'll get the Joker this time.
Yeah.
I'm really hoping this is the Joker, but I'm kind of losing hope. Will you open it up?
Yeah. So I'm gonna open it up as green hair. It's the Joker.
It's the Joker. That's awesome. Shake it. Is there anything inside?
There is something inside,
Harley Quinn.
and there's something inside Harley Quinn.
No way. Open it up.
Okay.
Is that Batman?
Whoa, no way.
It's baby Batman. We haven't had any Batmans yet.
Does Batman live in Harley Quinn?
Apparently,
Okay.
the Joker has a little thing of hair, so it's hard to stack things on him. I'm really loving this microwave. It's been amazing. Let's try this again. Have we used bright pink?
I don't think we've used any pink at all, so let's try pink.
Okay, I'm so excited. I'm gonna try this one. Squish, squish, squish. I love this pretty pink Play-Doh. Let's roll it in a ball. That's kind of round. Let's put this in our microwave and turn it on. Watch it spin. I hope we get something amazing. It doesn't look much different. Let me check this out. No way, it's another mystery exclusive Kawaii cube. I'm so excited. Can't tell who it is.
It's definitely green. It's a medium-sized Joker.
It is a Joker. It looks like a pop art Joker. This is really cool. Let's set this Joker by his daddy. Let's try yellow Play-Doh. Son, will you squish this yellow Play-Doh and then roll it into a ball?
Yeah, this Play-Doh is really stretchy.
I'll get the microwave ready.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in here now.
Oh no, you knocked over our new friends. You knocked over all the green lanterns. Why don't you do the honors?
Okay, Mom.
Who are you hoping for?
Honestly, I don't know. I'm so happy that we got Joker. I don't know who else we'd get.
A big Batman would be awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Open it up.
Okay. It's another Wonder Woman.
Awesome. I love that. And we don't have a big Wonder Woman yet. Shake it. Is there anything inside?
There is something inside.
Open it up.
It's a miniature Harley Quinn.
No way. I think this is our lucky day.
I know.
This is so much fun. Let's try this green Play-Doh.
Okay.
Will you squish it up into a ball for me?
Yeah.
Let's put it in the microwave. It sounds like it's ready. Why don't you open it up?
Okay.
I'm really still hoping for a big Batman.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what's inside.
Let's open it up. This one's another mystery cube.
Oh, that's exciting. I hope we get something exclusive. Who is it? I can't tell.
Someone with brown hair. It's another Green Lantern.
It's another one. We don't have this one. This is awesome. It looks like it's our lucky day for Green Lantern. Let's try brown Play-Doh now. This brown Play-Doh kind of reminds me of poop.
I know. I was about to say that.
I'm a little bit nervous about putting it in the microwave. Why don't you roll it up and squish it up for me?
Okay.
Wow, that looks perfect. Let's put it in the microwave.
Okay.
Why don't you open this up? I'm a little afraid of the brown Play-Doh, to be honest with you.
Yeah. So now let's open it up.
Does it smell okay?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
So,
Awesome!
I think it's Bizarro Superman.
It does look like a pop art Bizarro Superman. Is there anything inside?
Yup. Let's find out. It's a golden Wonder Woman.
Awesome! A yellow pop art Wonder Woman. Let's check out our collection. We had such good luck with microwave magic today. We got a baby Green Lantern, a pop art Green Lantern, which is like a medium size regular Green Lantern, and a big Green Lantern. We got a baby Harley Quinn, a medium Harley Quinn, a happy cute medium Wonder Woman, a pop art medium size Harley Quinn, a big Superman, a cute little baby Batman, a big Joker, a big Wonder Woman, an adorable baby pop art Wonder Woman, a crazy medium-sized pop art Joker, and a big crazy looking Bizarro in the pop art color purple.
Hey Mom, do you know what I just realized?
What?
So this is like their years of growing up. So here's is like when they're a little baby, then they're a teenager. We got 2 teenager Green Lanterns, and then the large ones are adults.
That's awesome. Friends, why don't you tell us in the comments, what's your favorite Kawaii cute that we got today? Mine is probably this big Wonder Woman. She's so cool. What's yours, son?
Mine's gotta be this little baby Batman up here. He's just so cute.
He is pretty cute. Well, friends, thanks for joining us on Toy Food Fun. As always, if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and we'll make more. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.
Bye.